Yeah. I see the play I hate of them, I see the fake of them. I pray life on a different level now.
I have a little change in my pocket. I know still. I'm glad I get two of them jelly there for true. No, sir. Me not go over there. I look, me need a look. True. Me not go over there, man. No.
Enough things man learn a life in the mind growing up. Yeah, aye. Play dead, so which one of them come around? Play like your broke, so which one of them give a helping hand? But just like one holding down now.
Black people fast, you know. Yeah, me don't know why they want to people business and leave it alone. You want to look at jail, true. Hey, you can't do nothing and they don't say nothing. Hey, let me tell you something, man. See if they are bush and sit down in the belly and nice and you want to go Lagos sit in the bush, do. If you hear a black man and come to pick up your run. Hey, you love people business, true, you know. Right now, man, don't do this for true, you know.
Though the journey long and the road rough, we are keep on going, we are still strong.
No man, hungry and a boy, you know. Yeah man, hungry and a boy, man, and I sing for ramp with 2 days now, I don't eat, man, rough, you know, man. Hungry and a boy. Chatty, mouth and mercy, mix up. Why you not leave people business alone? Even, you see my cousin rolling dice. See my cousin rolling dice. Oh, rolling, bad artist, because I got bad artist. I treat them, I don't see a church, you know, my cousin. Church, where they go out for church? Yeah, for church. True, man. You have a work still, you know? You have a work for church. Yeah, but we know them things the man can't. If you don't work, you can't get paid for church, you know? Yeah, man, you have to put in the work. Because nowadays, there are some people, they don't like work for true, because they don't like work. All they do is sit on a roadside and then sit there and them things. Yeah, some people, and they love watch all people business and them things, they don't like work. They don't want to work, you know. Yeah.
They just watching and chat people business.
But at least that's still, man, say, when music are going, they say, oh, true, cause I want to bus, you know, cause every day I pray for your bus, cause, you know. Yeah, man, and then I can say, yeah, feel my cousin that rolling dice, you know. Feel my cousin that rolling dice, man, you know.
So, I want to go
oh, you know, say, I pass on a master and shortcut this off the church, I dog then rush me, man. Nearly broke my foot, turn over a picture of a stuff, it up. Boof. Yeah.
I always tell us the shortcut job blood in and listen.
I feel true, cause you always look out for me, you know, cause and I tell me right thing, you know. Yeah.
We have family in a man, so you think we have to check and look out for each other same way.
I feel true, cause you know, you see I always look out for me. Remember for your cousins of the church, man, Miss Maggie boy. Feel your auntie Miss Maggie boy, Tyron. The boy no rate the music, cause yeah, me I tell her, I always have to look out for you, know, cause when they go down there, I play your music, cause I know all your songs, I have all of them. Yeah, me know all their song them. You know none, cause me go to boom and I play. You know, yo, to play them on the song. Cause them man done a big artist. I mean I say our cousin, our cousin reach far for Chocho. I be a fire man a bun for I say I hear that music. Hear that music you do and sitting there. Yeah. So for Chocho.
Oh, when the man there on me, he might give me beer forward and I say, no, Hypocrite. There one.
Hypocrite. In a them time you have to look out for wolf in a sheep clothes. If you own a family them, I look things you have a good cause like me, always I look out for you rolling. Rolling you have to bus. Them boy they no rate you. Some man you hear talk about them boy them man they no rate you my youth. They don't want your boss.
If you own a cousin Tyrone.
If you own a cousin bro, me I tell a cousin man.
Yo, them man they know say from the thing happen, I all away I go.
All away cause. You see it, look, I told you now, I'm not to eat no cause I'm all out cause me know say if you have you would give me cause me not too beggy and them thing the cause. You see it, that's why I say like if you have all 1,000 or 15 bills, you could have give me no cause and me get all one food cause you know me not deal with them kind of hypocrite thing that people and say. Me always look out for you cause. Yeah, me do want to get all one food cause man, you know. Yeah cause. Boy, I tell you, say, cause is a lifesaver still, you know what? They want to buy one food and one juice, man, you know. Cause 2 days, I don't get money to rough for me, you know, so for church, you know. They want to buy one good nutritious juice for church, like I want tropical rhythm. You know, them kind of carrot juices for church, cause, you know.
Oh, boy,
yeah, cause.
What different this thing, you know, skinny, you know, say, I short need money for do that one thing.
Yeah, no,
something forward to come do, you know, but I say, yo, I can't, my cousin do it, you know.
For Chocho, man, you know. But later, I link you for your 2 bills, man, you know, make up for Chocho.
So, we are trying to tell you, still want 2 bills?
Yeah, I joke, man, I make the Chocho, man. You know, say I joke, man. But I link up later, cuz, man, you know, bless up, man, you know, respect, yeah, cuz.
Yeah, man, I love you, man.
Yeah, man, bless up, cuz. Boy, cuz, not easy, you know, bless up, cuz. Thank you. Yeah, thank you, boy, thank you. Yeah, cuz. Jaja. Hey, cuz, not easy. Hey, cuz. Hey, rolling down that meanest cuz me have to church, you know. Yeah, man, mean, no, man, 1,000 can do. 5 bills food stop sell for when then the 5 bills food stop sell 3 years ago. How much I think for food are now? Now $3,000 for one food, man. $1,000. You say, no, 1,000. Joke thing this for true.
Yeah, I'm my cousin Tyrone after them things there. I'm not thinking skinny man after that like that. So like I said, there's someone kind of still, them have a pretty like them real in the front tire and going like them real, at the same time, these things they must have that also.
See the fake of them. I real life on a different level now. Everything different from before. Enough things man learn in life and man going on. Yeah, play dead, so which one of them come around? Play like your broke, so which one of them give a helping hand?
Yo, bro, what's up?
What going, sis? Everything.
Everything good in the house. Every day I chop up a thing or two in a studio. You know, no regular thing already, man. Have it been like a pig. So what's on fire side?
I'm just there, I just don't look about me for them and thing, but I want to go party what day you do and I say, oh, they love how you mix the music them and thing, you know what? Not gonna lie, man, you're bad for a female DJ, not lie.
I don't know, we have to stay on top of things. We can't make you use them out there, man.
You're mad.
Firm.
You're mad, man. And you, plus you're a woman, so you do your thing, man. You see me?
Yeah, man. Big up, bro. You know that's a good thing here from you. And thank you for your strength, man.
I don't know a thing, man, because you know so we are one blood already.
So you mean, man, one blood. One blood. One blood.
For real, man.
So I got I thing everybody.
You know, so mama alright though. There's a people them they good still.
Nice. And sister alright with that thing there. She has sort out herself.
Yeah man, she has sort out herself with the little something man.
Alright, no say no. Blessing. So I go on brother. Long to see you still, you know.
Ah yourself man, may also meet up again man. You see me, but it's a little thing me a call up on because I remember a few little cousin pa my mother's side.
Stick up in, bro. Let me just jot the address so we can talk a little longer. One minute. Hold on.
Alright.
Alright, bro. Talk to me, yeah.
Yeah, we cousin pa my mother's side name a Fabian in name but we call him Rolling Dice.
Oh, you're not rolling the youth there. You know, say not doing stuff like, whoa.
Yeah.
What wanted?
You know, say I try to look at artist thing now, I tell her say, yo, him bad.
Yeah, man.
Him a doing
Me hear a thing or two about him for real in the streets, you know.
Is this him? I tell her say him.
Yeah, say him a push out real hard, you know.
Yeah. If him type of song, them no still like the type of song them what them a sing nowadays. I say me feel them a reality and
things, man.
him a think different.
Oh, okay. So yeah, you not can't send me a thing or two, maybe listen with him, man.
I mean man, I get some new one from him cause a long time he no really vice nothing, you see me, but I see what he have and make it get it.
Yeah, man. No worries. You can't listen, man. You can't be kind of busy still.
Yeah.
No joke. But you don't know for a family.
Yeah man, cause I well want him boss now, cause I tell you say, when I tell you say him bad.
Man, check in for me. The WhatsApp and you'll check it out later when you go in and get back to you and make you know what go on if anything can go on still.
Yeah man, that's I heard sis.
Alright, so love you bro, we talk. So, you see the link more regular on you.
Know yourself man, I should be busy with some little work, isn't it? But know yourself man, we link.
Alright, that's what I think. The money has to make.
For real man. Yeah man.
Alright, bless up.
Alright sis. Yeah. Rolling halfy bus.
Yeah, fast rolling.
Yeah man, you know what we have to do, you know. So what on?
But I said you want to pack up some things on the shelf now, but I do it for you. But I know you help me out sometime.
What different the pinky? I have a look at sauce more and bring up on.
That's why you not let me finish my sentence to a sauce.
No man. You know what I say? One of my cousin tell me say, one of my next cousin, I say, him not rate me tune and more while me there on the man, I be a blank in my bus and I say, yo, your body in a youth and so me I wonder what go on. Cause some hypocrite vibes are going. I don't know who I tell like how.
So you believe the person your cousin will tell you?
To tell you the truth, I believe in this car. The youth there, he always tell me things.
So true. Oh, you see because you always listen. That's why you always can tell you things. You know, must be a tell you the truth, you know. I can't set him and set you up. Maybe I him not like you not tell like on somebody else.
You know if you're right too. I can't say go, you know.
I can't say go. You know if you quick to judge. Because people feed on negativity. If they realize you love sus, they will always give you sus.
No, but I don't like say me love sus neither. I just
But you believe?
Cousin. And you know your cousin tell us something. So me I say one next family who no want set you up against your own family.
Happen is you know read the Bible. The Bible tell us say everything start from the family. Because your family you feel so they can't set you up. It start from your family.
True man. But you feel like say if me want a cousin I want to come up against my next cousin.
Of course.
So what that? What make you not do that now?
Jealousy. Bad mind as what you say. So we plan for the now. Why approach a plan for it now? You confront your cousin. Or you go ignore what your other friend tell you.
To tell you the truth,
Like no, I just allow every man here, man. I just allow them and
Yeah, man.
stay in the lane and stay in the man.
Right. Time reveal everything. You don't have to confront him and stress yourself. Everything will go play out. In time you're gonna know if your cousin bad mind you not tell lie for your other cousin. I said him I set you up right there, so you know.
Cause it's hard to believe still, cause I tell you say when that the bridging there around me that the man did show me real ratings and say yo.
And
show them go hard.
You can feel energy. You can feel energy. And we must not be judgmental, but you can use a discernment. You can use a discernment and know who real from who not real. And me normally follow my gut feeling. And me always observe things so I can see when something not right. I know when something off key. Not all the time, but majority of the time.
Yeah, but most of the time, remember say you have more than one voice to talk to in your head, so you don't know which one to believe.
That's why I say good feeling, because anything come from within and it can bother me and say I saw it go, it normally come out. Sometimes I don't say it, I just watch it and it come out.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yo, cuz. Oh, go on. Yo, cuz.
Hey, how are you, Tyrone?
There, you say you go live long though.
Eh,
Yeah, man, just that boy.
real cuz, you know, say me want you come give me a link over my workplace though.
No, cause me there deal with something still now. Me there sort out my chicken them, you know, and me have one pot pan fire, you see me, so if you give me a good time.
Yo, you know, take long man, you can't just make case and forward and do say, you know, stay long man.
Alright, that's I heard then. Me so forward.
Yeah man,
Alright.
the best cuz.
Oh, even miss, yeah. It's a rolling dice. Alright, me check if me see me on here so then. Rolling.
Oh, all gone good.
F1 cuz.
Yeah man, want to see it?
Hey, me, man. Oh, like a reasoning, is it?
Yeah man.
So you see what going now.
Cause you know me have one new song.
New song?
Yeah man.
I say me have something to tell you though about Watcha. Let me hear song.
For real. And me I say, bad boys, please don't hurt the little baby. Bad boys, you have nobody to live for. Dog, where you come from? Please don't hurt the old lady. Bad boy, you have nobody to live for. Roll with the magnum and all the thematics. Anyway you see your enemy, you are gonna kill. You are kill a black brother every day, you have to stop it. Yeah?
Bad enough. Hey! Bad enough? Yo, cause that. Bad enough? Bad man. Tell me, I tell you. Bad man. Me feel say, yo. That's what I feel. Me know say you go boss.
True.
You see me? Me know say you go boss, man. Cause you sang them. Them attack reality. You see me? Bad man. Nothing a lie, man. You have to boss.
Yo, you know say I want corruption though.
But how me a corruption? Me look like a woman.
Yo, a big things me here say you chat back at me and I go on like you're real with man.
So how I tell her that?
You don't have to know man.
Nah man, man, who?
You don't have to know man.
No, yeah. Tell me who.
When the time right to know a woman, cause me no like a so thing. Cause me here say you say this and you say that and you go on like you're real when you're there around me. You're not going good cause a big things me say you chat back at me. And as a cousin you can't roll them with the dog.
I want to know where them a say.
No, alright, guess what? Yo, me can't take a wolf in a sheep clothes thing, bro. Cause you're not real. You're not real to man, cause you only have bust be a blank when you're there man and I go on like say a rape man and a rape man show and a be things that chat back on me. I don't like them style, man.
Hold on. What's that about me no real, brother?
Yo, a be things the man them a say you say, brother.
You know, you see, better me turn on my yard, you know.
But more want to know what go on, cause the man say yo, you say this and you say that. More know your side, what you say?
Better me turn on my yard, brother. If this a foolish I come call me for, brother.
Yo.
Right now, me only for my pot. And me foul them, brother. Yo. Look here. Watch out. Me no want you to move on. You see me say, yo.
I know to be real with man, yo. And stop from grown corner and chat be a thing.
You're going to talk about real and this and that, brother. Yo, watch out. If you're ready to talk to me, you show back here, man. I can't deal with you. Can't deal with you, brother.
Me then I told man I do some work, cause man. You know I work go already for church. I tell you some I give back 1,000 man, but more you give me 2 bills later, cause you know me I get paid till Friday for church.
Yo, I don't know.
What I say, cuz? Oh, yeah, give me 2 bills I know, cuz. Oh, alright, cuz. You have Susie give me if you church. Yeah, you're not easy, no, cuz. Eyes and the Susie. You're not easy, no. Church, cuz. Me a forward, cuz. Cuz, I go with that now. Me true.
You look like you ate some food, man.
No, sir. Which food, man? Me never eat no food, man. Cuz, what $2,000 can't buy nothing, man. We are talking about, man, about eat food, cuz $1,000. Hey, 3 years ago, 4 years ago, food did have like $1,000, $2,000 now. And 3 years gone, man, for true.
Yeah, explain too much. You don't ask about that. Yo, what do you ask about Tyrone?
Tyrone. Oh, I feel cause Tyrone. In good man. Let's say go on. In good man, you know, cousin man for Chocho, yeah.
In good, so all you sitting over there telling me this morning?
Oh, he boy, a corruption, no. He boy, corruption. Hey, he boy, no rate your music for Chocho. Me not tell you, man.
So you rate the music?
Oh, you mean, man, me know all of your songs, me know them for.
Yeah, man.
Hey, Tyrone, go on. Me there, cousin man.
Come on.
What I say?
What you tell me about Tyrone this man?
Oh, man, I tell you how cuz, man. Hey, cuz, we can start on production.
No.
We can start on production for Chocho.
No. Exactly what you're telling this morning.
This morning?
Yes.
Me no remember.
You don't remember?
Me not tell him nothing for Chocho.
You know, tell me say man no rate me tune.
No.
Be things there.
No, man, I don't know, man. I know the Tyrone, man.
Who's
Tyrone for Chocho?
Skinny.
Cuz, man, you know, so, man, man, we miss cuz for Chocho, man. Yeah, that one, man.
Yo, yeah, mix up, you know.
We are family, you know.
Even Chocho, we are good cousins for Chocho, first cousin to that.
Yeah, man.
So you mix up, so.
Yeah, man.
Eh?
Oh, you mix up, so.
Mix up?
Eh.
No, man, cuz, man, me no mix up.
You know, say you come to get problem.
Oh, you know, so my
Problem
boss
you
did,
come to
no,
pass,
man, my
you know.
boss did that tell me, say me fit hurry up and come back and work, man. No, man, we are cuz for Chocho.
Change your argument, you know.
For Chocho.
Talk when you say, as me rock you.
Yo.
No, man, when me I say,
Hold on, man.
No, when me I say,
Yo, you hear me, man? Me say,
for
this
Chocho.
man you link me.
Yeah.
And you tell me say, you know say you want Tyrone or rate you. And you
No,
say,
man, I know that me say, man. Feel we auntie Miss Maggie, boy, it's Tyrone.
Oh.
The boy no rate the music, cuz. Yeah, me I tell her, me always, at that time, me always have to look out for you, know, cuz. Cause when they go down there, me I play your music, cause me know all your songs, them, me have all of them. Yeah, me know all your songs, them. You know none, cause me go to woman and play. You know, yo, to play them on the song, cause them man done a big artist, and me I say, our cousin, I want our cousin reach far for Chocho.
Yo, come here, cuz. I want to show you a play.
Yeah, make sure you not come back with no foolishness, brother.
Limit yourself, man. I want to tell you, you're miserable, someone.
Alright, what you say now?
Yeah, me I say, yo, you know, say, I want Skinny tell me, say, I look a thing, and the man say, yo, you not rate me. Man say, yo, all when you hear me a drop a tune, the man ya boss be a blank. A bad man, cause you wanna pretend like say you're right. And I say, yo, oh, my own a cousin. Fi a pretend like saying real and him know say, yo, from me boss, I whole family I go lift up same way. So me I say, yo, me no like them style.
But the thing is that, no, brother, Skinny I can't tell you foolish, brother. She just call me and chat to me when I, yo.
No, but I hit me call up.
Yeah. Me see the play I hate of them, me see the fake of them. I pray life on a different level now. Everything different from before. Enough things man learn a life in the mind growing up. Yeah, aye. Play dead, so which one of them come around? Play like your broke, so which one of them give a helping hand? But just I go and hold it down now. See the brain now, aye. See the hate of them, see the fake of them. Yeah, mama tell me if I was a local youth, watch out of your guy. Wolf in a cheap clothes, alright. See the fake, see the fake smile, see the play I hate of them. Yeah, even though the journey long and the road rough, we a keep on going, we a stay strong, untouched. Remember the days that never have nothing for eat, we hold it out dark. Yeah, never switch up, we lay now, stay focused. We see the fake of them, we see the hate of them. See the fake of them, play a hater. Yeah, see pray now. I pray life on a different level now. Everything different from before. Them can't get me out now. Yeah, aye, now. Jaja, never give a man more than what he can bear. Just a go and will it out now. We see the hate of them, fake of them. Play broke and see which one of them stretch him hand out and figure you a helping hand now. Alright, play dead and see which one of them come around and fi spread roses. I'm not real from start. No different from before. Yeah, alright. See the hate of them, see the fake of them, see the fake smile dog. Them not real for money. Yeah, alright.